Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. So, for our linear algebra 1 group presentation, we will apply one of the methods to solve a linear system in our case study. Before we getting any further, I would like to introduce our group members. Firstly, me myself, Mahathir Hamzi with student ID 2021 at 31994. Next is Nur Anisha with student ID 2021 at 74266. Our third group member is Nur Hidayu with student ID 2021 at 54788. Last but not least, Amal Muzaffar with student ID 2021 687 at 46. So what is linear algebra? Linear algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of linear equations, vectors, matrices, and linear transformations. It investigates the properties of these objects and their relationships with each other, and provides tools and techniques to solve systems of linear equations, perform transformations on vectors and matrices, and more. So, who invented algebra? In the 9th century, a Persian mathematician, Al-Khwarizmi, wrote the book The Compendious Book on Calculation by Completion and Balancing, which is considered to be the first textbook on algebra. Al-Khwarizmi introduced the concept of the equation. So, the method we use to solve our case study is Gaussian elimination method. In order for us to solve a linear system, first we have to transform it into an augmented matrix. Next, we have to apply ERO, which is elimination row operation, to get REM. After that, we will need to transform it back into a system of linear equations that eventually, using back substitution, to get the exact value of each variable.
Hi everyone, I'm Nur Anisha binti Nur Shamsi, and I will proceed with our case study as shown in our slide. Our case study is 4 students of UiTM Segamat named Abu, Lancelot, Hayabusa and Trump has been given RM110 each to spend on a bundle store nearby where the price of all t-shirts are the same, the price of all trousers are the same, the price of shoes are the same, and the price of all caps are the same. By using Gaussian elimination method, find the price for each t-shirt, trousers, shoes, and cap. The total of their spending are recorded as shown. Before that, let's assume W as t-shirt, X as trousers, Y as shoes, and Z as cap. Okay, now we can express 4 equations from their spending record. Abu is W plus 2X plus Y plus Z equal to 98. Lancelot is 3W plus X plus Y equal to 95. Hayabusa is X plus Y plus Z equal to 73. And Trump is 2W plus Y plus Z equal to 78. After identifying the linear system, we have to change the linear system to augmented matrix. As you can see in our slide, that is augmented matrix. Next, using ERO, elimination, row operation, we have to reduce entries until we get REM. First operation that we need to reduce 3 in row 2 is negative 3 R1 plus R2. Then we will get 0, negative 5, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 199 in row 2. Second operation to reduce 2 in row 4 is negative 2 R1 plus R4. Then we will get 0, negative 4, negative 1, negative 1, and negative 108 in row 4. Third operation, we exchange row 2 and row 3 to make row 2 has a leading one. Next, then we will explain the other step.
Hi, I'm Nur Hidayu binti Rosli. So let me continue the presentation with the next step. Next step is we need to make the entries below leading one in row 2 into 0. There are 2 operations need to be done here, and both of operations will using the second row. Firstly, we need to multiply the second row with 5 and add it to the third row. Next, multiply the second row with 4 and add it to the fourth row. Proceed to the third row. Since the first non-zero entry in the third row is 3, we need to multiply this row with 1 over 3 to find the leading one in the third row. Next, multiply the third row with -3 and add it to the fourth row to make the entries below leading one in third row 0. Now, the matrix is already in a row echelon form. Convert this matrix into a system of linear equation. The linear equation that we get in this equation is W plus 2x plus y plus z equal to 98, x plus y plus z equal to 73, y plus 2 over 3z equal to 166 over 3, and z equal to 8. So the next step to complete the equation will be explained by the next member.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Muzaffar Abdul Rahman and I'll be the last member that will present our case study. And for the last step in methodology, we get W plus 2x plus y plus z equal to 98, x plus y plus z equal to 73, y plus 2 over 3z equal to 166 over 3, and z equal to 8. Then we find y by substitute z in it. Then we get y equal to 50, x equal to 73 minus 58 equal to 15, and w by w plus 2 times 15 plus 50 plus 8 equal to 98. Then we get w equal to 10. So it's time to review the result. And for the result, we get w equal to 10, x equal to 15, y equal to 50, and z equal to 8. Where w represent for the t-shirt, x represent for the trouser, y represent for the shoes, and z represent for the carrot. And let's wrap it up and see what we have learned. And for the conclusion, by the methodology, the price we get for t-shirt is 10 ringgit per each, trouser is 50 ringgit per each, the price of shoe is 50 ringgit per pair, and the price of cap is 8 ringgit. So in the conclusion from the case study before, we can conclude that Gaussian elimination method not only can be used in solving linear equation or can be used in exam, but it also can be applied in our daily life. So here is our reference that we get from Google Drive that our lecturer have prepared. And we got the source from Madam Nuraini, our beloved lecturer in MAT263. A warm thank you to all of you, and that's all from us. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.